scraper and adhesive remover can be helpful to remove the vinyl or sand high spots. Finally, make sure your subfloor is dry and clean. With the subfloor prepped, you can install the sub accounting for a 1/4 inch perimeter expansion gap. Set it aside and spread latex Portland cement mortar with the flat side of the trowel. Then comb over it in straight lines. Place the underlaying unmodified thin set across the seams and press the waterproofing band over top. Be sure to cut out any floor registers. Allow the thin set to cure following the manufacturer's instructions. Then you can mark any snap your starting line if needed. Position a straight edge on the line and hold it in place with bags of mortar or grout. Start laying the tile with this row. Mix unmodified thin set with large format across the mortar ridges. Finish laying the tile for the first couple of rows, placing 8-inch spacers in between, and frequently checking that the tiles are even and level. After a couple of rows are down, you can install the roll against the wall where you use the straight edge. Continue laying the floor a few rows at a time. Stagger the joints no more than 1/3 the length.
And that was the silver tile. So right here are the spacers that I need. This is because when I measured, I counted about 2 3/4 tile to make the full length of my wall. So I'm on the first bowling tile, then I'm on the second bowling tile, and then the third tile is touching the wall. So right now, I'm going to take the tile. Here's the tile. Next one, and then it's on the tile. It's going on doing some minor tweaks to the space between tile and wall block. Forever or until it evaporates. And to make it perfectly waterproof along the floor, you need to add something called curdy wrap over the seams, and that is what I'm doing here. I layer a thin layer of mortar down, and then lay a bunch of mortar in place, and then go ahead and lay our tile. Now that the tile's actually going down permanently, I'm using that line that we struck earlier to mention a little bit more detail later. Your best friend for laying tile is a bucket of clean water and a sponge handy at all times. You can use this sponge for everything, cleaning the walls, cleaning the tile, cleaning you, cleaning your tools later on. Very, very handy to have around. Made my cuts over here on the wet saw, and you want to make sure that the factory edge, you put that in the middle of the floor and put the cut edge over here, which will remain underneath the trim. And contrary to what a lot of people might think, you do actually need to make sure you have a gap around the border of your floor because tile does act.